Hello YouTube, it's Chris here, just giving you guys a really quick update. Not going to dive too far into this at all. However, mostly because I have a couple shipments still coming in from Schrade. So we'll go ahead and get into this. Alright, headed from the back, which is aka the top of the screen, that way. I have the schrade SCH-104LS, which is the partially serrated. The schrade SCH-104L. Then moving forward, I have the schrade SCH-911DBS. Then I have the schrade SCH-601 Tie. The schrade SCH-A4BS. The schrade SCH-A4BG. And the schrade SCH-A3BS. Those are 7 new folders from Schrade. I have a few more folders coming in, and I'm also to expect the SCX5 and the Schrade SCH-F13. Those should be coming in very, very soon. And yes, I will be doing reviews on every single one, so I'm really excited to show you guys all the new offerings that the Schrade line has to offer. But right now, this is just a little teaser. Hope you guys have a really good Monday. For now, that's it, and I'm out.